Hello guys, today we are playing Airplane. I have no idea what this game is, so what I'm gonna do, go into this bus with this one lonely man right over here with his big arms. I'm playing. Me and him will be the only people. Hey, me and him. Okay, F-13. I mean, what did I expect? Where's he at? I'm sitting there. Oh, I have to sit near him. I have to sit all the way in the back of the bus. Oh, yeah, F-13. I have not number F. Oh, sit down. Captain. 1161. Yep, we are currently flying to an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good. That means oh my god. This means we will be arriving at our destination in no time. Something like that. Okay, but like, what if the airplane crashes, we all die while standing up and we can't do anything about it? This airplane is kind of fast. Captain. What if I like broke into the captain thing? Ooh. Okay, that doesn't work. I think I might be the only person, because this person looks kind of... Oh, so go. Okay, you're gonna die. I'm getting in my seat. Wait. Oh, okay. Ooh, that would have been close. He's dead. No, he's not, but like, he should be. He really just went yeet. Thank you for your cooperation. Yeah, so about that dude. He's kissing the ground right now. Ooh, snack. It's not like I already have a snack on my head. Alright. Hello, everybody. You saying everybody too? There's like one dead person, and it's me.
No, God!
Oh God.
No, God!
Okay. Oh, I got a sandwich. Yum. ... I'm not feeling very... You didn't even eat the sandwich. What's you talking about? This sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Okay? You can't find it. I'm not about to. Okay, fine. Above me? Ain't nothing above me. I mean, I won't die, so like, what's the point? Yeah, but I'm sorry, but you just might have to... I can't find it. You know what that means, bud. Oh. Sorry. You're gonna die. Wait, is that it? Nah. I mean, he kind of deserved to die. Die. I'm just making it quicker for him. It's still gonna be painful either way. Makes it faster. Oh, he's dead. What emergency room? That means he's dead. Let me sit down. A stable altitude. Time to sit back, take a nap. Okay. Good night. I thought I already went to sleep, huh? stretch my legs. Okay. Okay, well. Yeah, good night again. So basically what happened while I was asleep, yeah, they lost energy. What right wing? I don't even see any. Oh, shoot! I don't see anything. You will not survive. Are those? Snake, what the freak?
Don't fucking run away from me!
Nice. They can't even come up here. It's easy. So what do we do now? Do I just sit here? Oh my god. Okay, so that didn't work out. I said, let's go to the bathroom. Literally, all the snakes just went yeet after me. All of them. Yeah, I think it would be better with good people. I mean, like, more people, I mean. I don't know if they're good or not. But his hair looked good, though. I could just sniff your freaking...
I'm joking! Stop!
Okay, that's me moving on my bed. If you hold that, I don't know. G7. 1038. Right over ABC. Do I really have to sit near this crackhead?
Oh, fuck.
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
believe you've done this.
Wait. Okay, let's how to meet each other. Hello. That's not what I meant to type. I said hello. I just put, okay. Yeah, we said all of this before. So, what? We got to explore the airplane. This girl just went up and kissed him, and then just like left, like nothing happened. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut back to the part where it's supposed to do last time. So yeah. Alright, so now we back to that part where we lost energy. So hopefully I don't die this time. I'm gonna go already. I don't know where the bathroom is. Restroom. Maybe this one on the right wing. Second wing. If y'all remember that from like the DS, that second wing, hot dog and bologna. If y'all remember that, wait, good job, because that was like one of those best times. Are those snakes? Yeah, you just have to hide on top of the things that can't kill you, because they're too dumb. Okay, which bathroom did we go to? Because there's 2 restrooms. No, 4. 3. How did I take damage? From air? I'm allergic to oxygen.
Hello there.
Time to get serious.
That one. Go. Let's go! Walk it. Can I go back out? No, wait, why do we all have to... The boys and the girls are in here. What the heck? That was scary. We should discuss what the heck. So there was that thingy, and then it made snake, so he went in the bathroom. That's what happened. Okay. I'll cut to the part where actually something happens. We have good news and bad news. So the good news, power's back up, but we don't know that. Bad news? What's the bad news? What's the bad news? Bad news is that we're losing a. Yeah, I'm allergic to oxygen. But y'all better go to your seats. Huh? I got mine. I'm saying. I got oxygen. Oxygen. Why am I built like that? What oxygen? If you don't get off of me, bro, I will step on your head and you. Never mind. Am I the only one who has this? Why do I look like? Oh, Sue, get back on my. Well, we lost power again. What happened now? Oh, yes. Oh my god. What is this? What happened? Oh, a bomb. Donald Trump's are good at sending those. That's why we're about to have another war. Okay, everybody, calm down. Just jump out the plane. I don't see no bomb. I don't know what I'm talking about. Scissors, how convenient. But where's the bomb at? Cut the cables that probably will explode the thing. But if you get us killed, that's on you.
What the fuck?
Cause you died. I mean, like. Aswani Midbipa. We're probably the only people on this plane now. They're unconscious. What's Captain Will? One, Kick it, dummy. Get those scissors and like cut the door in half. The code is 42069. Oh god. Yeah, we're probably not gonna find any code. It's a creaser. Hey, what's up, bro? You will pay for what you have done.
You're the last one. Come
I think I'm here on accident. I mean, I went on this plane on purpose. No, you didn't. My money did. Actually, my mom brought me here, to be honest. Yeah, that's not possible. You're a boy. I think. It is. And now, it's time to die. No, you. Oh, no, reverse card. See you in the afterlife. Bye-bye. I'm just going to the back of the plane. Well, that's how all I'm doing is walking. The whole thing is spinning. Not spinning. I mean, how many times do you have to say that? 9303. Plane is falling. We're gonna die. We should find the autopilot button. Press all the buttons. I don't drive planes. What if we click a button that makes the thing explode and we all die? Oh, I found it. See, I do everything around here, bro. Y'all would not be alive if it wasn't for me. I did it. What's you talking about? I saved the plane. Y'all would have died if it wasn't for me. Y'all weren't doing anything. Let's throw you off the plane and then we have dinner. Who are these people? Oh, staff. Not the eating ladies. People who sell snacks. God, I said the eating lady. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone. It was right over here, dummy. Call SOS. Wait, no. SOS. Oh, wait, I'm dumb. Call 911. 911 is not, like, 20 numbers. I mean, someone died from a bomb. Someone, got, yeah, never mind. Yeah, people just been dying for snakes, bombs, and everything. It's alright. It's not that bad. One last task. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Not me. I already risked my life. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down. Ding.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
I got this. Well, he's dead. Oh no, it is bad. You're right there. Why don't you just snap his neck or something? You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. See, that girl knows what she doing. She punching him in his head. Why do I have to go to the underworld? I already saved the whole plane for crashing. No, don't. No, I will. Okay, crash this. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. It's gone. Hey, bro. What happened? I'm coming. Looks like I missed all the fun stuff. Yay! Let's go. Victory! Victory way out. Da, 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 da. Boom! Da, 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 da. Yay! Oh, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, notifications if you want to watch my videos again. If I'm funny, yeah. I turn that. There's a pee in my mouth. Okay, but anyway, yeah. Next video, I have something special. I'm not telling you what it is, but like, yeah. I got 1 win. Let's go. Wait, who has the most wins? Why don't I have like? Who plays this game almost 348 times? Fight me, please, scary boy. Okay, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and bye-bye.